In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the Tableau agent in your Tableau Cloud free trial. This process is simple and takes about 5 minutes to complete. Let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and search for tableu.com. Once there, look for the products section on their homepage and click on it. This will bring you to a page listing various Tableau products. From here, find and select Tableau Cloud. Next, you'll see an option to start a free trial. Click on this button, and if it's your first time here, you'll be prompted to fill out a registration form. This form is quick to complete and requires basic information like your name, email, and company details. Now, if you already have an account with Tableau, you can simply log in, enter your email address and password to continue. This step streamlines the process and gives you access to their extensive cloud-based tools right away. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the Tableau interface. Look for the Settings option. Usually you'll find it on your dashboard or in the navigation pane. Clicking on Settings will allow you to customize various aspects of your Tableau experience. In the Settings menu, head over to the AI and Tableau section. This area contains features that leverage artificial intelligence to enhance your data analysis capabilities. You'll want to ensure that key functionalities are enabled here. Specifically, look for the checkboxes labeled Tableau Web Authoring and Tableau Prep. These should be checked to activate the full range of Tableau's web-based authoring and data preparation features. Checking these options ensures you're getting the most from the cloud trial, allowing you to fully utilize all the analytical tools available. After selecting these checkboxes, don't forget to click Save to apply your changes. Saving your settings is crucial as it finalizes the activation of the Tableau agent and ensures everything is set up correctly for your data work. With these settings adjusted, you're ready to dive into the world of Tableau online. Feel free to explore the diverse range of functionalities Tableau Cloud offers. Whether you're drafting quick dashboards or conducting complex data analyses, you now have the baseline tools activated to get started. And there we have it, a complete setup of your Tableau agent on the cloud free trial. Enjoy exploring and analyzing your data with greater insight and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy data storytelling.